Good morning, my friends. This is Miss B, kindergarten teacher. Thought I'd wear my I Teach Kindergarten t-shirt today. It's Teacher Appreciation Week, so don't forget to say, I love you, Miss So-and-so, and just let them know how much you appreciate them. And then appreciate your parents this week because they've been teaching you at home. I appreciate you, parents. Today, I'm going to read Pete, the Kitty, and the Case of the Hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? I know my mom and my grandma used to tell me that when I would hiccup, I'm growing. But sometimes they just get carried away, right? What are some things that your mom, dad, auntie, uncle, grandma have you do when you have the hiccups? And does your hiccups get carried away? You're growing a lot. I've grown a lot. I got my sunflower halo on. Fancy today. Let's get started. Pete, the Kitty, and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? How do you stop them? Let's see if Pete can find out. Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. So how is one way Pete is going to get his hiccups under control? Stand on one foot. How long can you stand on one foot? Play around with it. Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups. He asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. I don't know how long I do that. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Did it work? You try when you have the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down and sing a song. I love you, kids. I love you, kids. So you stand on one foot, you hop up and down, and you sing a song. Try it out. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, and he sings a song. Oh, hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Poor Pete. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. Bob sounds like he got a deep voice. Oh, let me show you the picture. I get carried away. Wouldn't it be nice when we can go back to the beach? Miss B loves the beach. You stand on one foot, you hop up and down, and you sing a song, and you rub your belly. So let's try. Hop on one foot, stand on one foot, hop up and down, sing a song, and rub your belly. I can't do that for long. Pete does it while he's surfing? Can we really do that? Some people can. I've seen some tricks being done on a surfboard. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh, ask Mom, says Bob. So Bob is his brother? Who knew? Go ask Mom. Some of our best friends call our moms Mom. Could it be his best friend? Or could it be his brother? I don't know. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. Come on. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. I had to let mine out. Look at Mom. She's fancy. Mother's Day is coming up. Let Mom know she's fancy. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Do you know how long we should hold our breath? Don't hold it until you pass out. Don't do that. Hold it just long enough to see if the hiccups stop, okay? Don't hold it too long. Whoop! Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Oh, I think it stopped. Moms always know. They always know. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. What do you look like when you're waiting? The hiccups are gone. Guess who's smart? You guessed it. Moms. Moms, you are smart. Pete Hiccups stopped. He asked all his friends and even his brother, maybe his best friend, we don't know. And guess who knew all along? Mom. Happy Mother's Day, moms. I love you. Bye, kids. Till next time. Remember what he did for his hiccups. See which works for you. But I bet you Mom knows. See you later.